Howdy. I look like shit. But it is, I think it's the 11th. What's the date? Yeah, the 11th of December. I finally have a day off on a Wednesday. This never happens. Except last week, but that was my birthday, so I don't really count that. But I'm gonna go get my nails done, and y'all, look at the snow again. Oh my god, it just finally stopped snowing. So, let's go to the nail salon.
Promises are promises we've waited in faith. Prophecies are prophecies that God will come in grace. Shining stars, singing freedom is here. Hope of every heart, erasing the words. Peace be to all of the earth, for our God sets His love. Joy into all of the earth, light has come. Glory in the highest, the sun and below. Jesus Christ in Emmanuel, your heart is our home. Peace be to all of the earth, for our God sends His Son. Joy into all of the world, our Savior has been born, light has come.
Me and that one hitter standing back to back.
Let's adore Him, Jesus, light of the world. Come and adore Him, let's adore Him, Jesus, hope of the world. Come and adore Him, let's adore Him, Jesus, light of the world. Come and adore Him, let's adore Him, Jesus, light of the world. Peace be to all of the earth, for our God sends His Son. Joy into all of the world, our Savior has been born, light has come. Peace be to all of the earth, for our God sends His Son. Joy into all of the world, our Savior has been born, light has come.
Oh boy, that's Hi. Bad angle? Sorry. I cannot set up on my dashboard right now. It's a little crazy where I'm at. Where I go to church, actually, also is like a big sports arena. So, yeah, that was that. The first clip you saw was the kids singing at church. Oh my god, it was so cute. But I'm gonna go to Grandpa's now and I'll see you there. Dang it. Stay. We got the package. I have another one coming tomorrow. I just want to open this already. Oh, this paper. And it does better on the box. Oops. Okay, first thing, I don't know what this is. Oh, they threw this in here. It's a brightening toner, it looks like. Niacinamide brightening toner. Yes, please. Brain freeze, yes, please. Thank God it's not broken. Although it doesn't look like it is. Oh my God, I cannot believe this is in my hands. Oh no. It's not I'll put the other back together. Holy, ready? Oh my God. Oh my God, oh my God. So we've got cold shoulder, gold breaker, cocky, statue Zeke, frozen fruit, and freeze tag. Oh my God, I'm so excited. This is the best part. Hold on. As soon as I figure this out. Is the best part of opening packages. Get that. We got another bag. Oh my God. Oh, you look a little squished. I'm sorry that the FedEx man squished you. Oh my God. I actually have, hold on. So my cousin got me one for Christmas, and I didn't know who we do a Secret Santa at my dad's, so it's like, you kind of figure out who you get, then you don't know, then you take a guess, and then you get what you get. But this, oh my Lord. I swear, his bags are so worth it. Oh, it's the golden print from the top. Like, look how much space you have in there. Like, oh my gosh. They look orange. And then you got the J-Star logos. Oh my goodness. Okay. Now it's time for the thing I've been waiting for. So I gotta figure out how to get out of here. I have the black one. I'm screaming at this right now. Oh, thank goodness. I didn't have to break the seal this time. Oh, it's upside down. Oh my goodness! What just hit me in the leg? Oh. Like, look at this motherfucker. Oh god, you can see. Yeah. We're just gonna turn that back around. Oh my gosh. And yes, I am that crazy person who keeps the boxes. Don't judge. It's just like it. I just lost the brain. No, I didn't. Good thing that was there. Alright, that's it for this unboxing, and I'll see you tomorrow when my other package gets here. So it turns out I never opened the other package on camera. That's a long story of why. It's about 4:51 in the morning. I have not slept. I'm probably not going to sleep either. So love my life. But let me show you the other bag. Hold on. It's so beautiful. So much space. Like, yes, please. Yes, ma'am. Also, look how cute they all look all together. There's the one from the mystery box, then the Shane collab. It's too early for me. But I'm not going back to sleep. So, carry on. Wanna go shopping? Let's go.
Olivia?
You look so cute though!
No, put it away.
This one's never been to Home Goods or TJ Maxx. Come on. How have you never been? I look like shit.
That means we're not vlogging today, right?
Nah, that does not mean that. You get lucky though, the look of the battery flashing.
Good. Because I hate being
I just want to get your reaction to my Disneyland.
I avoid cameras at all costs.
We'll see you there. Hi, it's been a little bit. So, my birthday present for my boyfriend finally came in. Let me go grab it. Alright, I don't have the t-shirt because it's at my boyfriend's mom's getting cleaned. But, if you remember, I got the Shane and Jeffrey bag a couple weeks ago from Macari. Yes, I overpaid for it, but you know what? Your girl was kind of tired of waiting for that restock. But let me show you. Oh, hello. All right. I got the other two bags from the Shane and Jeffrey collab, the big double zipper ones. If you can see, it's the pig with the star, or the star with the pig's head, and it's just the regular pig and Shane collab. And I also have another, focus on my face, thank you. I also have another order coming in probably sometime this week. Yes, I think I'm starting to have an addiction. Oh, I didn't show you the new additions. So, I got a shelf. Hold on, let me put these back. It looks cuter when they're in there. Okay, come with me. It looks so much cuter when these are actually in here. But there's the two from the Shane collab, just a regular Jeffrey one. That is literally my favorite bag. It's from Walmart, it's like 10 bucks. The conspiracy boxes, the pig mirrors, I cannot get rid of this shelf. It's literally my favorite one. Then this one, my purse is in the kitchen, so I'm not gonna go grab that. The other, my pink one looks exactly like this, and then my big camera and my 2 lenses. It says, "My life may not be perfect, but my lashes are." This literally was my favorite thing. And then found this at TJ. This and that are both from Home Goods. This cart, I swear, I think has become my new favorite. Like, I just put extra, like, brand new stuff I haven't used yet, or duplicates, extra bags, and then candy at the bottom that goes in these. Like, y'all, I've been busy. What else is new? That's a good question. What else is new? What's new with you? I'm just waiting on a text message from my friend to say, "Come get me now." She was supposed to be off work an hour ago. Hoping that we get together, because we haven't been together since my 22nd birthday. That was December 12th. Alexa, what day is it? Alexa, what day is it?
It's Sunday, January 26th.
What she said. So I'm just hopefully waiting on that. I miss my best friend like crazy. So what else is new? Oh, I got full-time in pharmacy now. So yay me. This is gone now. Yeah. I don't know what else is new. How about you? How's your mom? How's your dad? How's everybody else? Yeah, I'm going a little insane. Oh well. Wee. Okay, bye. Also, one new thing you might have missed. I got a new tattoo. Okay, it stands for December 14th, 1944. You may ask, what the heck does that mean? That's my grandparents' wedding anniversary. They've been married 75 years in 2019. It's 2020. They're going to be married 76. Like, guys, come on. That is an accomplishment. I don't know. Growing up, everybody's just like, I want your grandparents. I wish I had your grandparents. I'm like, everybody always said that growing up, but I never understood it until now at 20. Like, I started realizing what they meant when I started turning like 17. But now that I'm 22, I get it a lot more. Like, my grandparents will go to the end of the earth for you. My grandpa would give you the shirt off his back just to make sure you're okay. Guys, when I say I have the best grandparents in the world, I honest to God mean that, and one day I don't know what I'm going to do without them. I'm probably going to go a little mentally insane and pull a Britney Spears, but no, we're not doing that. I'm just kidding. Relax. I'm just kidding. But I just wanted to update you a little bit. I hope I see Sierra in a little bit. Okay, bye. Olivia, you should know your own birthday. You're an idiot. It's December 4th. Not 11. 4. No, it comes after 3. Sorry, I can make fun of myself. I do it every day. Carry on. Time for one more unboxing in this vlog. And you might be thinking, you have a problem. You're correct. I do. But you know what? Makeup is an entire hobby. It's an entire hobby. This paper never gets old. Ooh, this is different. It is Bioderma moisturizer. I think that's what it is. Let's just get on to the real star of the show. Like, yes ma'am, yes please. Oh, yes please. Yes, please. That's the best part of unboxings. So we've got Ice Cold, which I own that in a big one and it's my favorite. Glacier Ice, Lavender Snow, Alien Ice, Pink Chill, and Canary Bling. Oh god, that's... oof. Oh my god. Highlighter palette number 2 from him. But that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Bye!